Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025, which is from the paper 1 from the organic chemistry topic. If you see here, we have list 1 and list 2. In these two lists, in the first list we have given the compounds, and in list 2 we have to tell the correct option which is matching with this compound. And it is saying, first statement is saying reaction with the phenyl diazonium salt gives the yellow dye. So yellow dye is given by the aniline. So aniline derivative gives the gives the yellow dye with the phenyl diazonium salt. So that's why the aniline should have in the molecule. So it is matching with this. Only this molecule has the aniline, NH2 group, HCl with the benzene ring. That's why for R it should be first option. And if you see, in case of the second statement, reaction with the ninhydrin gives the purple color, and it also reacts with the FeCl3 to give violet color. So if you see here, ninhydrin test, what happens is, here I have written the ninhydrin test. It detects the presence of free primary and secondary amines, peptides and amino acids, produce a deep blue purple dye. So from with all these primary, secondary amines and peptides and amino acids, it gives deep blue purple dye. Also with proline and hydroxyproline produces a yellow colored condensation product, and with the asparagine produces a brown colored product. And it is given here, this is the ninhydrin, and when the ninhydrin reacts with the aniline part, it gives the blue purple complex of this. And when ninhydrin reacts with proline, so the complex formed like this, and it gives the yellow orange product. So if you see here, what we have to see is, we have to see the free aniline. Where is the free aniline group is present? So only here the free aniline is present. So that's why P should be matched with the second statement. And with the Q, if you see, reaction with the glucose will give the corresponding hydrazone. So glucose with reaction with the glucose, it is giving hydrazone, and it can only be given by the hydrazine can give the hydrazone. So that's why the S should be matched with the third option. And if you see the fourth option, racine extract of the compound treated with the dilute HCl followed by the addition of aqueous FeCl3 gives the blood red color. So for the blood red color, it should have the sulfur as well as nitrogen in the compound, but there is no compound which has sulfur as well as nitrogen. That's why fourth option cannot be matched with any of the compound. In the fifth option, it is saying in the fifth statement, it is saying after complete hydrolysis, it gives ninhydrin test and does not give the positive phthalate dye test. The ninhydrin test we have to see after hydrolysis. If you see here, we have amide, and after hydrolysis, amide will be broken into the acid and the amine. So it will give the amine, and amine will give the ninhydrin test, and it does not give the positive phthalate dye test. So for phthalate dye test, it should have phenol, but it is not giving the phthalate dye test. That's why here no phenol is involved. So the correct option is the Q. So fifth statement is matching with the Q. So that's why the correct option should be P with matching with the second, Q is matching with the fifth, R is matching with the 1, and S is matching with the 3. So that's why the option number B should be the correct answer. Thank you so much for listening.